Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to the garden. This is not a backyard garden anymore, guys. God is blessing me with some land, and look at what I have for my friends. I love them. Hey, I love them so much. Serious, they bring me happiness. Hey, beautiful cow. Hey, how I'm gonna name you? Shirley? This is Shirley. No, actually, this is Marcy. This is Eve. This is Darling. Marcy, Eve, and Darling. Hey, beautiful. Hey, mama. What not to like about this? Hey, when you going to make some babies? Hey, beautiful cow. Hey. Hey, darling. You got some big tits. You're beautiful. Yes, eating the grass. Oh my God, you guys are so beautiful. I love you a lot. Can I get some milk? Hey, Moo Moo.